I just switched supermarkets. Other than paper or plastic, the checkers and the baggers never stopped talking to each other. They completely ignored me till it was time to collect the money. Just plain rude.
The receptionist at my doctor's office is really rude. It's the way she talks to me and the other patients. I'm probably going to switch doctors. It's too bad. I really like my doctor. But this rude receptionist? Ugh.
We hear that word rude used a lot, seemingly more now than ever. And just what constitutes rude behavior? In the first case, the checker and the bagger at the supermarket ignored the customer and held a private conversation. The customer thought they were rude to ignore him. And in the second example, she didn't like the way she was spoken to by the doctor's receptionist. She felt that was rude. So in the first case, not talking caused the perception of rudeness, and in the second example, talking caused the patient to feel as though she was being treated rudely. Let's see if we can learn some lessons here so that we can avoid being thought of as rude. Rude behavior is the enemy of good customer service. It hurts interaction with both external customers and internal customers, your coworkers. Numerous surveys agree that almost half of the people surveyed had walked out of a business or otherwise stopped a purchase that was in progress, all because of rude customer service. Can you imagine the billions of dollars that were lost because of that? And not really lost. We should say billions of dollars that were sent over to the competition. And then there's the poor image that rudeness can create for your entire organization. Lost sales means lost profits, and lost profits mean lost jobs. This program has an important message with lots of implications. By being more aware of what is perceived as rude behavior, we can avoid committing these examples that we're going to see today. Now, it's always helpful if we have a clear understanding of what we're talking about. What are some of the other words describing rude behavior?
Lacking the graces and refinement of civilized life, uncouth. Lacking education or knowledge, ill-mannered, discourteous.
As we categorize some of the types of rudeness, let's keep in mind, as far as this program is concerned, rudeness is measured in the eyes of the offended party. It's truly a matter of perception, not yours, but the other person's. Now, there are literally thousands of everyday occurrences that people perceive as rude behavior, and there's no way we can cover all of them here today. But if we have a clear understanding, we'll be able to better cope with the problem and avoid having our actions being perceived as rude. It's a big topic, but here's how we're going to help organize it. We're using a matrix, which is a mold or a form, to help us better classify and clarify categories of rudeness.